Okay, the lathe is plugged in. It is set up. I did not take it out of the shipping crate bottom because it seemed like a very stable piece to set it up on. There you can see the plug is fully set up and plugged in. Everything is as it was when it came in, other than actually setting the machine up and putting it on the track. It is currently in the off position, set to the slowest speed. When it's turned on, set to forward and powered on. As you can see, the lathe doesn't move at all. Even when put up at the highest speed, it doesn't move. There's no guard covering it. It doesn't even sound like power's feeding into it. It's been used once. After that, it was cleaned and turned off. It was checked once, and then the third time turning it on, it wouldn't spin at all.